Andito na kami ngayon sa loob ng parking area. Yung school nasa harap lang. Yan. So inaantay namin si Bella kasi 11 AM yung out niya. Dito lang kami sa car. Bababa na kami in 5 minutes. In-enroll pala namin si Bella for summer class lang. So 10 days lang yan. Pero sa August, magsisimula na yung everyday class niya until June na yon. So in-enroll namin siya for pre-kindergarten. So may student na kami. Oh my gosh. Nag-start siya nung June 24. So pang ano na niya ngayon? Pang 6 days. Kahapon, sa 5th day niya, absent siya kasi sobrang ulan, sobrang dilim ng paligid, kaya hindi namin siya ginising ng maaga. Pinabayaan lang namin siyang matulog ng matagal. Kaninang umaga, nagising siya ng 8 AM, so mahaba-haba yung preparation namin for school. Okay, bababa na si Papa at si Mama. We're going inside. Hi, Belle.
Hi.
Belle, look. Hi. Hi, monster. Belle, show me your star.
Right?
Show me your star.
Boss.
Boss, what do you want?
Mama, can I buy this? Hi.
Okay, take one.
I got. I'm not ego.
Like,
Mama, go ask Balloon from Ate, okay?
ask balloon? You wanna ask balloon from ate? Huh? Aray ko, Bel! I will get your Yakult. Excited siya kumain ng Yakult niya. Aray ko. Bigyan natin ng Yakult si Bella. Pero half lang. Tapos lagyan natin. Yan, half lang. Lagyan natin ng tubig para hindi masyadong matamis. Yan. Yan. Ready na for Bella's drink. Yakult plus added water. Is it yummy?
Ito.
Huh?
Ito dirty.
It's so dirty. It's not dirty. You just spilled it. Napagod ang bata.
Wait.
Bella, trace the broken lines, please.
Mama, look the
Gusto niya
daughter.
kasi mag-erase.
Who on the pot? Pot.
Relax.
You can.
Bella, I think we need to trace these broken lines.
Go.
Look.
Mommy, you need
Can
to
you do
call
that?
this and you need to. Wait.
Remember, we can only erase the pencil, okay? If we use crayons, you won't be able to erase the crayons.
Mom, a pencil is to no to await it. Then the more pencil, okay?
Okay.
That's a big pencil. That's a more. Did so if you not be a bucket, it to be like the bucket like this. You know to await it like this.
Okay, Teacher Bella.
You know to await it.
Bella, we need to trace around the outside of your hand, then decorate the picture. Okay, put your hand, please.
Wait a minute.
Okay,
Wait.
let's move to the next page, 121. Come on, Bella. Here, put your hand here, please. It's either left or right hand. Come on. Here. Okay, you want your left hand. Okay, open like that. Spread, spread. So we're tracing around the outside of your hand. Oh, sorry. I will erase that later. Yay! Now let's decorate.
Now we decorate.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait. Wait. So you need to wait it. Put the weighted. It will not be dirty. Okay? It not will be dirty.
Okay.
Okay? It
Now
not will be.
let's. Can you put your finger here? This.
No, it will not be the dirty.
I'll
Okay?
trace again. Wait.
You can take again if you tie.
Okay, we're done.
Mama, I'll wait it for you, okay?
Okay.
I'll wait the pink wall. I'll wait the pink wall for you.
Bella, what do you want me to draw here?
And now.
A nail.
Yeah.
Oh, Mama is not an artist, but I'll try to draw for you. Okay?
Like that. That's not like that.
What? Hindi daw ako marunong.
That-
What? It's not like this. Can you help me? How?
Yeah, I will wait it for you. Wait.
Bella, hindi
You
marunong.
will try again with a happy face on it.
Happy face?
Yeah.
Oh, let's just draw a happy face.
Let's do a happy face and I'll wait on it.
Okay, sure.
Maybe I'll be a colored one.
Okay, let me trace it again. Okay, so what you want me to draw here?
Did a taco on it.
Huh?
Did a taco.
Circle?
Yeah, did a little bit taco.
Okay, circle. Done?
No, that you can that.
Ayaw pang matulog ni Bella. Gusto niya pang makipaglaro sa mama niya. Now, let's sleep. It's 3 p.m. Bella. Yung sleeping time talaga ni Bella is 3:30 or 4 p.m. Habang lumalaki siya, nag-change yung sleeping time niya. Mas nagiging active ang batang ito. Bella, when is your birthday? She's turning 3 years old on September. Okay, enough. Let's sleep. Come on. Feel.
No, I don't need you.
Huh?
Mama, your turn.
How do you feel? It's my turn to spin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, hold on tight.
I'm gonna sit down. Wait.
No, I don't.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. I feel so
1, 2,
dizzy.
3.
Kakahilo naman to.
You like the pin?
Huh?
You like the pin?
Yeah, I like it. Wait, I feel so dizzy, Belle. I need to relax. Wait.
And then Dora.
You're Dora? Okay.
Crocodile way.
After namin maglaro ni Bella kanina yung nag-spin kami sa chair, nakatulog siya. Tapos nag-edit ako ng vlog. And ngayon after 3 hours natulog ni Bella, yan bumaba kami, siya nanonood ng TV at ako nagluluto ng dinner. So dyan niya naman, may work pa. So parang free time ngayon habang nag-aantay ng pagkain. Ito yung beef natin. Ready ko na. So, nag-aantay na lang ako na magluto ang pasta. Konti lang lulutuin ko kasi kanina nagluto si ate ng miswa, patola, na may miswa. Tapos, bihon, chicken bihon. So, yun lang yung kakainin ko. Pasta, lahat. Hindi man pasta, parang yun, noodles. Lahat yung food today. Kaya ayoko na lang kumain ng spaghetti bolognese. Si Bella nagdi-dinner na siya. Sinusubuan siya ni ate. Yung dinner niya, patola na may miswa, sabaw, rice, tapos may chicken. Ito yung gagamitin ko na sauce, Prego, Italian sauce. Ito kasi yung favorite ni Jenya. Ang lakas ng TV, te. Volume down natin. Okay. So, malapit ang maluto ang ating spaghetti. Spaghetti bolognese. Yes, Bella, say hi to my vlog. Sabi ni Bella, dinner is ready na daw. Sabi ko lang kasi food. Yan, luto na.
It's Thursday tomorrow.
Yeah,
Time flies so fast since we started school.
Yeah. So, kakatapos na namin mag-dinner. Ayan, dessert time. Ginawan ko si Janya ng tea. Tapos may carrot cake kami. Binili ko to kanina sa Starbucks. Hinatid namin si Bella sa school. We also ate pineapple. So, tomorrow we need to wake up early to send Bella to school. Are you happy with our new routine?
Yeah.
What can you say about the school here in the Philippines?
It's good.
That's the only first school that we've been to. Enjoy. Gan. Kaon ng spaghetti, te. Ang kaon ko gamay ra, kay busog kay ko. Puros man good noodles, pasta kung ikaon ng adlaw. Come. Belle, we will sleep at 8 p.m., okay? Because tomorrow we need to wake up early. So, laro-laro muna kami ni Bella habang nag-aantay ng oras. Kailangan ma-release yung energy niya. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Ayan si ate. Pinatay mo na yung ilaw, te. Anong oras pa, te? 7 pa lang. Shoot! Shoot! Ow! Ow, Chad, be careful!
The long boat.
Huh? Many balls? More! Oh no! Wow!
Look at my finger.
Oh yeah, I did it! No, I didn't. Shoot the ball! Nakakapagod. So, naglalaro kami ni Bella. Yung laro namin is kailangan i-shoot yung ball dun sa yellow na na lead. Wait. Come on, Belle. Sus, ibang laro na naman to. So, pupulutin ni Bella yung yung mga balls. Babalik ulit dyan. Ay, kakapagod. Enjoy, Belle.